Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about AIMD stock. This is a new play that I've had my eyes on for a while. The reason I have my eyes on this is, number one, it's under that purple line, right? And you guys know how much I love cheap stock. I love when stocks come down to their average and ideally go under it. Because then you're buying it at a huge discount compared to the suckers that bought it $1, right? I just had a soda. I haven't drank Coke in a while. But anyways, this stock, on top of being under that purple line, it also is holding 40 cents. It's holding this bottom down here, which is what we love. We love a stock that holds a bottom, because all we have to do at this point is buy as close to the bottom as possible, and then when it pumps huge, we take our profits, rinse and repeat. So in this case, if you're looking to start adding, I would wait for it to come down as low as 40 cents. The closer to 40 cents, the better, is what I would recommend. But if you're inclined to buy here at 50 cents, I mean, a move to 60 cents is 25%. A move to 80 or even 76%, not 76%, 76 cents is another 50%. And if it goes back to $1, I mean, you're making 100%. So there's like a lot of potential here. And we'll go over why there's a lot of potential. I'm just showing you the charts and the potential gains. Now let's look at the potential risk. So let's say you buy at 50 cents because you're just impatient and you can't wait for 40 cents, because some people are like that, unfortunately. And you set a stop loss at 0.39. Let's say you stand to lose 20%, but potentially make 20% plus. So it's kind of a 1-for-1. But if you are patient and wait for 40 cents, let's say you buy at 41 cents, but it breaks below 39, you take a 5% loss. So that's why it's always better to wait to see if it comes down as low as 0.40. But Shades, what if I miss out? Oh well, I mean, like I said, it's up to you. If you want to jump in here at 50 cents and you're okay with because I know some of you are going to hold the bag instead. But I'm just giving you what I would do. And let's just go over why this one's a good one to keep an eye on. Unveiled revolutionary AI nose for robotics application, inviting global robotics companies to join AI nose alliance in shaping the future of smell-enabled robots. Advanced Veldana development with key Japan patent, Taiwan partnership, and IRB approval. What is this? Okay, I'm just going to continue here. They announced their fiscal results. That's another thing we have to go over. But the most important takeaway is the ability for a machine to smell, quote unquote. Our AI nose program has achieved meaningful milestones, particularly with iNose Flora, our first generation device designed to revolutionize women's health and sexually transmitted infection testing. What the hell does this have to do with what I... Okay, I'm a little confused. What? As we expand AI nose applications beyond healthcare into industrials and robotic sectors. Okay, so they're looking to expand. Yeah, because robots have a voice. No one ever talks about smell. I don't know how they're going to do that, but sure. Why not? As long as it gets people excited enough for the stock to skyrocket, that's all that matters. As we enter 2025, we remain committed to accelerating innovation, strengthening strategic partnerships, and expanding our AI portfolio to reinforce our leadership in AI nose development and immunotherapy. I'm just a little thrown off right now because okay, so they want to develop a nose for a robot that can smell, quote unquote. Yeah, this one's high risk, high reward. I don't even care about the revenues or expenses. It's where it's at for a reason. It's where it's at for a reason. So that's why I'm saying, like, probably best to try to get in as close to 0.40 as possible. But some of you are going to FOMO because, oh no, what if it does go to the moon? Let me go to investors here. I should not have had a Coke. Let me see. Investor FAQ. What else? Do they have a... I'm wondering if they have a presentation. No presentations. Yeah, I don't know how they're gonna do that. How are you going to develop a robot nose? I don't see that. I'm skeptical, but also, what if it does work out? What if they come out something with something incredible? The stock will skyrocket. It'll absolutely skyrocket. On the other side, if it doesn't work out, then it's just gonna tank. Like, it's gonna take probably to like 1 penny. So that's why I'm saying, like, it's high risk, high reward, but it's holding a bottom. As long as that holds, it's all good. Try to buy as close to 0.40 as possible. It reduces your. I mean, if you lose money, you only lose like 5% unless it gaps down. But buying up here, you stand to lose 20%. If you don't take the loss and this thing breaks down, like I said, it could go to a penny. So you're essentially saying, I'm saying don't hold the bag if it doesn't work out. That's literally what this is all about. From my point of view, this is what I'm saying. If it works out, big gains. If it doesn't work out, it's probably going to drop. And a lot. Practical partnership for AI Nose, multiple new opportunities. AI Nose to change robotics landscape with its first AI smell sensing. Let's see. This partnership will elevate robotic capabilities in industrial safety, public security, environmental monitoring, and healthcare. Both companies will jointly design AI nose-enabled robots for various industries, open revenue opportunities in multiple sectors. That's funny when you think about it. Robots can see, they can see, they can. What's the word I'm looking for? They can hear and they can talk through voice. But then there's there's this sense, the smell sense, that people really aren't talking about. Now that I think about this, there's a lot of potential with this, but like I said, high risk, high reward. Do not cry to me if it doesn't work out, because some of you are crybabies. Literally. While vision, sound, and touch have seen significant advancements in robotics, the sense of smell has remained an untapped capability. So there you go. There's the story. So really what I'm showing you is the story behind this one. It's got a pretty good story, right? Hey, if it works out, it's going to run. Even if it just runs to, $1, hey, that's 100%. This one can run if things work out. If it doesn't, expect the opposite. Up to you. I know some of you are degenerates who love high risk, high reward. I'm more of I'm going to buy NVIDIA like at $100 if it comes down that cheap. Or I'm going to buy Bitcoin and it's mining stocks. So that's why I don't trade these. It's very it's either it's a 50-50 as far as I'm concerned. Either this is going to work out and it's going to go huge, or it's not and it's going to come down real cheap. It's at 40 to 50 cents for a reason. There's a reason it's not at $100 with incredible revenues and stuff like that. So I'm really pounding the table on that because some of you start crying when it doesn't work out, and it's like, well, I told you it was high risk. If you don't want high risk, stick to blue chip stocks and buy them when it dips, and then when NVIDIA goes back to 150, take your $50 per share profit. So if you buy 1,000 shares, boom, you just made whatever, you just made a lot of money. I guess it depends on account size, but these stocks are usually bought up by the smaller accounts because they don't have the money. They don't have like 100K. If they had 100K, they'd be buying NVIDIA. It goes from 100 to 150. Boom, you just made 50% and not have to worry about that much risk, right? So that just saying, because some of you, man, like I'm telling you, This is very risky. Do not come crying to me if it doesn't work out. If you want to play it safe, there's your Bitcoin mining stocks. There's, Nvidia. There's, Apple. Okay, just wanted to throw that out there.